Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Five9 in 2025, the cloud contact center software that makes managing customer service easy and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the basics to get you started. First, log into the Five9 account through their official website. Once inside, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can monitor calls, agents, and campaigns. To start making or receiving calls, make sure your headset or phone system is properly connected and configured in settings under telephony. Five9 supports soft phones, physical phones, and even mobile devices. Next, familiarize yourself with the Agent Desktop interface. Here, you will see incoming calls, customer info, and call controls like hold, transfer, and mute. You can also view calls received or notes if your admin has set them up. If you're managing campaigns, head to the Campaigns tab to create or adjust daily lists, set call rules, and schedule outbound campaigns. For reporting, Five9 offers real-time dashboards and detailed analytics to track performance metrics like call volume, average handle time, and agent availability. Finally, remember to log out properly after your shift to ensure calls are routed correctly. And that's it. Log in, connecting your device, handling calls through Agent Desktop, managing campaigns, and checking reports. Five9 makes customer interaction smooth and scalable. Thanks for watching. If this guide helps you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.